And today we're taking a look at how to boil eggs. And we're going to take a look at all the way from soft boil to hard boil. So sometimes boiling an egg can seem like doing complex math instead of cooking, or maybe you just don't get the same result each time. Don't worry, with this guide, we're gonna get you one step closer and become a connoisseur on egg making, because nothing says love like boiled eggs. And the first thing that we're gonna do, we're gonna get a saucepan and we're gonna place that on the stove. Then third and most importantly, you're gonna get your eggs. Let's go ahead and place them on the saucepan, and at this time we have the stove off. We're gonna place our water, regular tap water, until we're 1 inch above the eggs. Close enough is good, but if you want to get your tape measure and call MacGyver, you can go ahead and do that. Here at the StatUpBox team, we like to eyeball it. Now we can go ahead and turn on our stove, and we do that on medium, either the number 5, halfway, or if you have one of those old stoves that you have to kick a couple of times to get it going, you can go ahead and do that. Now our goal is to get the water boiling, and I mean when you start seeing bubbles. And now comes the high-tech part. You can either use your smartwatch or a kitchen timer, but if you're old school, 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi will get the job done. Don't let no one stop you from your goals. We at the StatUpBox team believe in you. So our first mark is the 2-minute mark, and what we do is take out the egg from the boiling water. We can either place it on an ice bath or place it on the cold tap water, and the reason for this, so it won't cook any longer. So on the 2-minute mark, we get soft boiled eggs or runny eggs. But let's say that's not your cup of tea, then we have the 4-minute mark, and next we would have the trigger or another soft boiled one. And we say that because even though it looks firm on the outside, it's runny on the inside. But let's say you're too old for tricks. Then at the 6-minute mark, we start getting to the hard boil category, and we can call this one the almost there one, but here's a trophy for participating. So as you can see, it is a hard boil, but with a soft interior. So we can say it's like me, like a bear on the outside, but a soft teddy bear on the inside. But let's say you're not drinking from that water. So then we have the 8-minute mark, and we can call this one the second place because it's almost hard boiled, but is not. And finally, we have the last one, and this is the 10-minute mark. And this is just basically is like laundry. You forgot that you were even doing it. We have our hard-boiled egg. As you can see, none of our eggs had green or brown from overcooking, meaning that any method that you choose, you will be able to plate it nicely for that special someone or for yourself because you deserve it, and especially if you're watching us. Don't forget, if you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up, that really helps. If you have any questions, place them in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe, follow us on social media. Thank you for watching, and here's a link to our latest video.